From wide-open American ranches to your dinner table, this is the story of American beef.
Every bite you've ever taken starts here. This is the largest beef production system on Earth, and it's American. It starts on the ranch, American cattle farms that stretch for thousands of acres. Black Angus cattle produce the most flavorful, well-marbled beef in the world. Every meal is calibrated by nutrition scientists to maximize quality. Health and safety aren't optional. They're the foundation of American beef quality.
Temperature is normal, all clear.
Every single animal is tracked digitally from day one. Transportation follows strict federal welfare guidelines. Calm animals, better beef. The journey to the processing plant begins. This facility processes more beef in one day than most countries do in a week.
Documents, please. Here you are. All clear, proceed.
Before a single animal enters, USDA inspectors verify every document. Animals rest and rehydrate in certified humane conditions before processing. Federal inspectors personally examine every animal before processing. The process begins in a controlled, USDA-regulated environment. The processing line operates with the precision of a Swiss watch. Industrial machines perform the first cuts with millimeter precision. High-pressure steam pasteurization is the first food safety step. Every carcass is physically inspected by a federal veterinarian. Rapid chilling within 24 hours is critical for food safety and meat quality. Temperature is logged every 15 minutes throughout the entire chilling process. The finest beef is dry-aged for up to 28 days, developing unparalleled flavor. The fabrication hall transforms carcasses into the cuts you find at your store. Industrial bandsaws split the carcass into primal cuts with surgical precision. Master butchers follow the natural muscle seams, a skill that takes years to perfect. The ribeye, America's most beloved steak, with legendary marbling that melts in your mouth. Just 2 tenderloins per animal, the most tender muscle that barely works a day in its life. The New York Strip has been America's steakhouse staple for over a century. Ground beef is the most consumed beef product in America, and it's made with precision. The perfect 80-20 blend is the gold standard for juicy, flavorful ground beef. Every batch of ground beef is tested for exact fat content before packaging. Expert boners make hundreds of precision cuts per hour. Waste is measured in grams. Federal regulations require knife sterilization between every cut to prevent cross-contamination. Modern facilities achieve near zero waste. Trim becomes ground beef, fat becomes tallow, bones become stock. Automated portioning ensures every steak weighs exactly what the label says. Automated portioning ensures every steak weighs exactly what the label says. USDA graders use AI-assisted imaging to score marbling with unparalleled accuracy. The USDA Prime stamp means you're getting the top 2% of beef produced in America. A single animal yields over 400 pounds of beef across 15 different subprimal sections. Every product lot is tested for E. coli, salmonella, and listeria before it can ship. pH levels determine water retention, color stability, and shelf life of every cut. Color is measured scientifically because consumers choose with their eyes first. Every package passes through metal detection. Even a fragment smaller than 2 mm gets flagged. X-ray technology detects bone fragments, plastic, or any foreign material invisible to the human eye. Automatic weight verification ensures customers get exactly what they pay for. Trained tasters evaluate every production lot for flavor, juiciness, and tenderness. Tenderness is measured scientifically. Consumers deserve consistent quality every time. A quality control team monitors over 200 data points in real time, every minute of production. Nothing leaves this facility without a quality control manager's digital signature. The packaging hall operates 24 hours a day, sealing 20,000 units per hour. Vacuum sealing removes oxygen, extending freshness without any preservatives. Retail-ready trays are sealed in under 2 seconds. These are the packs you find at your grocery store. Federal law requires every label to carry grade, weight, origin, and traceability codes. One scan tells you everything: which ranch, which animal, which day it was processed. Ground beef chubs are formed and sealed in one automated step, ready for retail or food service. The finished product, beautiful, safe, and traceable from ranch to your hands. Robotic case packers eliminate human contact at the final packaging stage. Every case is coded for end-to-end supply chain visibility. Robotic palletizers stack 1,200 cases per hour with 0 errors. Stretch wrap pallets keep product intact through hundreds of miles of refrigerated transport. Blast freezing at -20 degrees locks freshness at the cellular level, indistinguishable from fresh when thawed correctly. This single warehouse holds enough beef to feed a city, maintained at a precise 28 degrees around the clock. AI-controlled warehousing means the right product ships to the right place every single time. The cold chain is never broken. Product temperature is logged every 15 minutes en route. Federal law requires continuous temperature logging for every refrigerated shipment of beef in America. Every day, hundreds of refrigerated trucks fan out across America, delivering fresh beef to your neighborhood. Every pallet is scanned and temperature verified before it enters the distribution system.
Scan complete. Temperature is nominal.
Your local supermarket restocks the beef case every single day. All of it fresh, all of it inspected. Retail meat managers conduct temperature checks multiple times every day. The cold chain never sleeps. Now you know exactly what goes into that label, from the ranch to your hands. Just 72 hours ago, this steak was at the processing facility. Now it's in your kitchen. The sizzle you hear is the Maillard reaction, hundreds of flavor compounds forming in milliseconds. That golden crust, the payoff of every step you've just witnessed. This is why every step matters. This is American beef. Every steak on every American table carries the work of ranchers, scientists, butchers, and inspectors. From wide-open American ranches to your dinner table, this is the story of American beef. 500,000 Americans wake up every day dedicated to putting safe, quality beef on your table. And tomorrow, the cycle begins again on ranches across America.
If this blew your mind, wait until you see what's next. Hit subscribe. New factory video drops every week.
I'm Alex, and this is Factory Pulse HQ. See you next week inside the next machine.